Hi, you are welcome in APL Education. Today we will learn about LED chaser using Arduino Uno board. So let's start this video. First, we will simulate our project in Proteus software. So open Proteus. The concept of today's video is to learn about variable, how to create variable for LED and how the commands is executed on your variable. So first choose Arduino board. Just drop here Arduino board and we will make LED chaser of 5 LEDs. So just we have to choose LED and we will connect these LEDs on pin number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So just drop here LED and change its orientation. Just we have to place 5 LEDs. Rotate these LEDs anti-clockwise so that they may be in a similar line. So we have chosen 4 LEDs, one more LED required. Now it's done. So it's time to connect your LEDs on the respective pins. So you have to click here and just drop wires to connect LED. Connect LED D2 on the pin number 10 and now 11 pin of Arduino will be connected on LED D1. So the connection of D1 is completed. Now pin number 12 we will connect on LED number 5. So the connection to the Arduino board is completed now. Now we will place ground for LED. So for ground, just we have to click on terminals and here you will get an option for ground. So choose this and drop here and connect all negative of LED to this ground pin. D1 is connected, sorry, D5 is connected now. Now we will connect D1 and in the similar way we have to connect D2. D3 we have to connect here and last D4 we have to connect with the ground. In this way our connection is completed. So next step is to program our Arduino with the help of Arduino IDE software. So just open Arduino IDE software. Arduino IDE software is open now. Here just you have to click on a new file to create new file. Just goes previous. Now what we have to do, just remove these pre-written codes. Now we will create just some variable for our respective LED. So what we have to do, just create a variable. For that we will create integer type variable. So write integer L1 for LED 1. So we have connected LED 1 on pin number 8. So here you have to write 8. In the next line, just we will define a variable for all connected LEDs. So just define variable for pin number 9. Now we will create a variable for LED number 3. So create integer type variable for LED number 3. We have connected LED number 3 on pin number 10, and again create integer type variable for LED number 4. So at last we will create a variable for LED 5, and we have connected LED number 5 on pin number 12. So the variable declaration is completed now. Now we have to just move in the setup function. In the setup function, just we will let the node to our Arduino for configuration at what pin we have used on our LED, is whether it is output pin or input pin. So we will declare here. We will just declare the pin mode configuration with the keyword pin mode. So we are declaring the pin mode configuration for LED 1. So we will write here L1, comma, just what is the type of pin configuration? Just this is output, because LED is output device. So we will just configure here output. So the pin configuration for our LED 1 is completed now. In the same way, we will just configure the pin for all LEDs. Configuration for LED number 2 is completed. So now we will just configure for LED 4. and the last, just we will configure for LED 5. Pin configuration for all LEDs is completed now. Now just we have to move in loop function. So just we will write here wide loop. Next we will move in the body of loop. Here just we have to write the code which it will be executed repeatedly. So just we have to give command for our LED to glow. So just we will give command to our LED to glow. So we will use digital write command. To glow LED, just we have to write high. This command will make pin number 8 on which LED 1 is connected will just become high, and when this pin become high, our LED will start glowing. Now just we want to glow our LED for 500 second, sorry, not 500 second, 500 millisecond. So we will just give a delay for 500 millisecond. Now after 500 millisecond, just we want to glow LED number 2. So just we need to give a command for that. Digital write L2 high. Along with this, when LED number 2 become high, so what we have to do? So LED number 1 should be low. So just we need to give command here. So we need to make LED number 1 low. So here we need to write low. In the first command, LED 1 will become high. After 500 millisecond, LED 2 become high and LED 1 will become low. So these two commands will just create a LED changer for two LEDs. So just move forward. Just we will write a command for LED number 3. So just we need to write a delay for 500 millisecond. In this step, what we have to do, just we have to make LED number 3 high. So we will write digital write command, and just we have to make LED number 3 high. Along with this, just we have to make LED number 2 low, because just in the LED chaser, one LED is glowing at a time. So in the previous command, just we have make LED number 2 glow. So in this step, just we have to make LED number 2 low. So we will write digital write L2 low. So the configuration for our pin LED number 3 is completed. Now just we will make a command for LED number 4. So we need to provide a delay of 500 millisecond. Now in the next step, just we have to make LED number 4 on. So just we will write a command for that. Along with this, just we have to make LED number 3 low. Now in the last step, just we have to provide a delay of 500 millisecond. And now it's turned to glow LED number 5. So just we have to give command for that. We have made LED number 5 on. Along with this, just we have to make LED number 4 low. So we will write a command for that. After that, just we have to give a command for 500 millisecond delay. Now in the same way, just you have to write one more command at the first step. When LED number 5 is high and LED number 4 is low, then when the control will come here, it will just make LED number 4 low and LED number 5 high. Again, just it will just control will move upward and it will make LED number 1 high. Along with this, LED number 5 also will be high. So here we have to write a command for LED number 5 low. So just we will write now. The coding portion for our project is completed. It's time to compile this. Before compilation, just we have to check one thing. We have to create hex file. So just you have to click on preferences and here you will show one option. So verbose output during compilation and upload. So just you have to click here. You have to make it tick. So click on OK and just compile this code. And you have to save this code also. So we will write here LED chaser and just save the program and it will start to compile. With the bottom of this software, you will get the status of execution of this code. So we have to wait until it gets finished. So our code is compiled successfully. Now just we have to see here the path for our hex file. I have made one mistake. Just I have compiled this code for Node MCU. So you need not to make such type of mistake. For that, just you have to go on tool section and here you will see an option like board. So here you have to choose Arduino Uno, whatever board you are using, just you have to compile code for that board. So here you have to choose right board for that. So we are making this project on Arduino Uno. So we will just choose Arduino Uno and now we will compile the code for correct board. So it will compile the code for Arduino Uno. Just we have to wait until finish the code. Now the compilation is completed. Just search for hex file. We have to search path for hex file. Here you can see the hex file is generated. What is the location? in the C drive. Here is users HP. This path may be different in your PC or laptop. In my PC, this is created on this path, so just we will move on this path. So open Proteus software, and what we have to do, just double click on your Arduino board and it will just ask program file option. Here you can see program file, and with this you will get a path. So click here and choose the path where the hex file is created. So in my PC the hex file is created in this path, so we will move that. It's created in user HP. It's in app data, so we have to choose this. In the local, just there is a folder named temp, so we have to move in that. Here we have arrived in the folder, right folder, so just we have to choose Arduino build number. So it is 797, last three digit for that, so we have to choose that. Here is the Arduino build for that, so double click on that, you will get an hex file for that. Here the hex file is created, so double click on this. Now your path for hex file is chosen, and just you have to click on OK. The your program has been uploaded to your Arduino board. Now it's turn to check our project. Just delete this, there is no work for this. So now we will simulate our project. Just click on play. Now you can see your LED chaser is ready and it's playing very well. As you can see, just make it zoom in, that's why you can see clearly. In this way you can make a LED chaser for whatever LED number you want. You can just choose. Also you can choose the pin from given on the Arduino. Any pin on the any pin you can connect your LED, and whatever LED number you want you can choose. So our project is complete now. Thank you.